guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can create this pop out of the frame video edit on CapCut PC. So add in your video and you're just going to select the mask button, which is here. Select the shape you want. I'm just going to select the circle and just adjust it a little bit. Right click copy, right click paste, and on the second one you're going to go to basic, cutout, auto cutout, go to mask, and then move the circle up like so, and kind of like move it so it just like frames like her head and nothing else. And it should look like something, well, it should look something like this. Go to the first video as well, go back to basic and go to canvas, and you can choose either color or style for the background of your video. Hold on, let me just mute that because now I got to do that, and just select like the background that you want, and it creates this really cool effect in my opinion. So yeah, that is it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below, and I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!